Broccoli is packed with vitamins and nutrients, but is it safe for puppies? The good: broccoli is full of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which can support your puppy's immune system and digestion. A small piece of cooked or raw broccoli can be a healthy snack. The caution: too much broccoli can cause stomach upset or gas due to a compound called isothiocyanate. Also, avoid adding seasonings, butter, or oils. Plain is best. Here are some serving tips. Chop it into small, bite-sized pieces. Feed in moderation, less than 10% of their daily food intake. So, yes, puppies can eat broccoli in small amounts. Want more puppy nutrition tips? Like and subscribe for more.